take some time to realize. But if you look inside, I'm sure you'll find. Over your shoulder, you know that I told you I'll always be picking you up when you're down. So just turn around.
Hey CHS, and welcome to episode 18 of The Pulse.
Mr. Clark, can we go through some run-throughs?
Oh, sorry. I already went live with the show with you guys.
Sir, what are you doing here? Were you in the class last year?
Just roll question of the week.
That doesn't even go first.
Oh, sorry. It's like the only thing I remember from hosting last year.
Who am I here with?
Demir. Aiden.
What are your spring break plans?
I'll be visiting colleges. Yep.
I'll be playing some golf.
Nice. What are your spring break plans?
I'm going to the beach.
The beach?
Yeah.
That's very cool. Which beach?
I don't know.
Who am I here with?
Alex.
What are your spring break plans?
My family's going to Iceland.
It's very cool.
Yes, we're going to. Apparently there's a thing that you can do where you can ride snowmobiles on glaciers.
That is epic.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. So that's what we're gonna do.
Who am I here with? Jordan Kopsek. And what are your spring break plans? I'm gonna be here playing Chatham lacrosse all week.
What are your spring break plans, Miller?
I'm going skiing.
Where?
Whistler.
Where's that?
It's in Canada.
That's very cool.
Who am I here with?
Regine.
Jack.
What are your guys' spring break plans?
I think I'm going to Pennsylvania.
I'm going to Florida.
Nice.
What are your plans for spring break?
I'm staying home. I'm going to Mexico with my family.
I'm visiting colleges.
What are your spring break plans? I'm going to tour some colleges. I'm going to Florida. Cool. What are you going to do in Florida? Probably hit the pool, go to the hot tub. Nice.
Who am I here with?
Ian Tracy.
And what are your spring break plans?
I plan to practice hurling, which is a 3,000-year-old Irish sport.
Who am I here with? Kieran Brendel. What are your spring break plans? I don't have any. I'll play baseball. Word. Who am I here with? Carter. What are your spring break plans? What are your spring break plans?
I'm staying here and playing lacrosse.
What are your spring break plans? New Zealand. Very nice.
Who am I here with?
Sam.
Bob.
And where are you guys going for spring break, or what are your spring break plans?
We're gonna head over to Saudi Arabia.
Heck yeah.
What are your spring break plans?
Visit some colleges, maybe hang out with Brendan.
Cool.
Who am I here with?
Kate. Avery.
What are your spring break plans? What are your plans for spring break?
I'm going to Kenya. I'm going to Portugal.
What are your spring break plans?
Staying home.
Cool.
Alaska.
Cool. Who am I here with?
Scott.
What are your spring break plans?
Why are you still here, Barrett?
Well, I don't know.
Wow, a lot of people are traveling for spring break.
Well, I'm going to Europe, and the food's gonna be pretty good.
I love some good food.
Well, speaking of food, we gave the girls' track team a baking challenge.
Wow, really? I wish I thought of that last year.
Let's see how they did.
Roll it.
3, 2, 1. Hey guys, we're from the Chatham track team. I'm Kate.
I'm Erin.
And I'm Riley.
And today we're doing Can't See, Can't Hear.
Can't speak baking challenge.
We're putting on our gear. First is the butters and sugars in a large mixing bowl. So take the butter. Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry. Wait, I think I touched your faucet.
Wait, I think I touched your faucet.
Wait, did you just melt butter? Mm-hmm. Bro, hold up. You don't melt butter.
You can't melt butter! I know, cookie dough! I know, I didn't melt it. I didn't melt it, I just softened it. Oh, okay, sorry.
Whip it up.
Okay. Next step of I'm sorry, I
Kate,
didn't know.
you want to measure the sugar with me?
Yeah. I'm not even lying. I bake on the reg. Like I know what 3/4. I'm not even lying. I could like do it. Look. Good.
What?
Look. Good.
I can see, yeah.
Look! Like, you know, like this? Look! Good!
It looks so weird. It looks so bad. Okay, ready? No.
I can feel.
Okay, wait, no. In this bowl, Okay. One more. Actually good at this.
Oh, sorry, that was bad. I like felt it.
Did she get shell?
Literally Timothy!
Wash your own. Same thing out. Oh, why is it so hot?
A splash of vanilla.
Oh, right. I'm not even lying. The more vanilla, it doesn't really ruin it.
Vanilla splash.
Ooh, it's really. It's like wet. Is it salt? Where's salt?
Wait, put your hand out. I put it in. There you go. Hold this bowl and pour it in the smaller bowl. Ready? I'm gonna help you. Over this way. Yeah. Oh, nice. It looks good. Kate, you did a good job. Oh. Okay. What am I doing? What is this? Oh, okay.
Oh my god, wait.
All right,
Hold on.
measure with the heart. Go.
Oh, with the heart?
We got a scooper for you. Scoop. Oh, nice. Yeah, nice, good.
Bro, I feel like I'm like getting droplings on me. What is this?
All right, that's enough. We don't need more for now. Cookie update, not looking too good. We'll see. Cookie taste test sponsored by Lactaid. Shout out all the lactose intolerants out there.
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers.
Oh my god.
Favorite track memory? Should I do my pineapples one? When I ordered food at like a track meet, and I was supposed to be on the bus, but instead of being on the bus, I was tracking down the DoorDash guy. I was chasing him, telling him, like asking him if he was my DoorDasher, and he finally stopped, and I ran back on the bus with my food, and I was really mad. I would say my favorite track memory is probably at sectionals when I beat this girl by 1 inch. Oh yeah! Made her go to groups.
My favorite track memory is when my teammate told us we could cut a corner on our cooldown run, and my coach told us that we had to run another mile because of it. So, shout out Lauren Tracy.
That was pretty good. Pretty good. Nice crunch. Sounds like... Okay, that was really salty. There's a salt pop pocket. Okay. How much water do you drink for a drink per track meet? Gonna be honest, I always forget I don't drink water on a track meet day.
Me as well. I don't
probably drink like a solid bottle. Solid bottle? I think I do a sip before the race and that's it.
I'd rate it.
I rate it
6-8.
7-1. I was gonna think 7-6. Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and get notifications all the time so you can know when we upload another video. Boom shakalaka.
Lucas, what do you usually like to cook?
I love to cook pasta. It reminds me of the hockey pasta parties.
Personally, I wouldn't know anything about the food. You know, I quit like 5 years ago. But your guys' Insta posts were sick.
Yeah, well that's all thanks to Andrew O'Day, aka AOday Visuals.
Let's see what a day in the life of AOday is like.
Roll the clip.
What is up, YouTube? Just woke up. Kicked the sheets off. Not have a good day. the day in the life of me. First, I gotta take a shower, get dressed, do all that stuff, and head to school. Gotta eat something as well. But yeah, it was a good day. Let's go.
All right, first class, we got chemistry. Then we have, what do I have? Oh, we have video production. Shout out Mr. Clark. Here with the boys.
Yo, we training for the Pulse. See you next year.
So. All right, now we're eating lunch. I grabbed pepperoni.
Will, say something. Will, say something. Let him up.
Wait, say something.
All right, now we are currently in the library. I'm getting some math homework and review done. All right, Drew, what are you working on?
I'm doing some math right now.
All right, it is currently 10:19 p.m. and I'm finishing the Chatham Hockey Banquet video. It's due tomorrow. I have to finish editing it and then send it out to the team. So yeah. All right, while the video file is downloading, I decided I'll show you guys a little bit of my camera bag. So yeah. All right, first up, we have the camera body. I'm rocking a Sony a7 IV. I've had it for a few months now. It's a very good camera. I'd recommend it to anyone. Yeah, it shoots 1080, 120 frames per second video. I can also shoot 4K, 60 frames. All right, next up, we have my two lenses. First up, we have the Tamron 70-180 f2.8. I mainly use this thing for like sports, basketball, hockey, football, lacrosse, etc. All the sports that I need to zoom in pretty far. This thing's pretty good. It's a third-party lens, so it's a little cheaper than getting a Sony lens, but it does the job well. And then after that, I have my shorter lens. I use this for close-ups. And then some accessories I have. I have a shotgun mic, just a regular road mic, football, where I need to track. And I need a bigger screen. It helps me see the ball easier. So yeah, I use this. I mount it on my camera. And then I also have all my extra batteries. I have 4 batteries in total. I also have a top handle, a phone mount. I can mount my phone on my camera. Then I have a top handle. It kind of helps me get lower shots, and I can hold my camera from the top, which is pretty good. It's a monopod, nothing special, just a regular newer brand. I use this thing to get like more steady shots, especially with video, shooting like lacrosse and football. Helps me keep the camera pretty steady. And I use a stick here and sort of move the camera around. I just finished editing the banquet video. I just finished that and I sent that in. So now I'm just doing some math homework and math review. I've got a test on Friday. I gotta bring my grade up, so I gotta lock in a little bit. And yeah, this should be the last thing before I go to sleep. Alright, that's it for my day in the life. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at aoday_visuals. Yeah, that's it. Deuces.
food, spring break, and AO Day. Wow, that was one good Pulse episode.
Thanks for barging in our shoot, Barrett. Looks like you knocked off most of the dust.
Well, I guess that's a wrap for this week's episode.
See you guys after spring break.
And happy April Fool's, CHS.
All right, get lost, twerp.